Hello again, I'm Chu Chek Hui and welcome to another video review. Today I'm going to take a look at the Evercool Venti CPU cooler. What's in the review unit includes the installation guide, the CPU fan, the CPU heatsink itself, and the accessories box. Inside the accessory box include the AMD and Intel installation kits. It has also included a backplate for your convenience. Evercool thermal paste was also included. The specification of this CPU cooler is as follows. It has overall dimension of 125 mm x 68 mm x 160 mm. It has a rated speed of 800 ±25% RPM. The noise level for this CPU cooler is rated at 22 to 38.1 decibels with an airflow rate of 35.05 to 75.13 cubic feet meters. It has a life expectancy of 60,000 hours and weighs 588 grams. This CPU cooler has installation mounts for both AMD and Intel platforms, supporting Intel socket LGA 775, 1366, 1156, 1155, 2011, and AMD platform AM2, AM2 Plus, AM3, FM1. This CPU cooler has 4 copper heat pipes branching through each side to cool the CPU. Installation of the fan mounts is as easy as just putting this slot in and this slot in and sliding it into the CPU cooler itself. And you should get a fan that is nicely fitted into the heatsink. Let's hear how silent this CPU cooler works in normal operations. As you can hear, the noise made by the CPU cooler is relatively inaudible. This CPU cooler also has an option for you to install the second fan at the other side of the heatsink. However, in my review unit, the second fan was not included. The pros of this CPU cooler is that this CPU cooler allows you to install up to 2 fans to increase the airflow rate for this CPU cooler. It also has a total of 4 copper heat pipes branching out from each side to cool your CPU. The fin design also allows for maximum heat dispersion. The cons of this CPU cooler is that the mounting for this CPU fan is rather flimsy, hence allowing the fan to move during normal operations. Overall, this product is awesome. It has a design to allow you to install up to 2 fans to increase cooling capacity. I'll give it the editor's choice rating. And this has been another video review. We hope you stay tuned for more videos upcoming soon.